Have you ever wondered why data wrangling is considered the unsung hero of data science? It's because its role is absolutely vital in shaping the raw data into a form that's much easier to digest and analyze. Let's put it this way. Data wrangling is like the appetizer to the main course of data analysis. It's the preliminary step in the data mining process that involves cleaning, transforming, and mapping raw data into a more suitable and efficient format for analysis. Without this crucial step, the subsequent data analysis could be flawed, leading you down the wrong path and potentially causing inaccuracies in your results. You see, just like a meal, the preparation is just as important as the cooking itself. So it's clear that data wrangling plays a pivotal role in data science. But how exactly is this process carried out? Data wrangling is a multi-step process that requires a keen eye and meticulous attention to detail. Let's dive in. Our first step on this journey is data acquisition. Picture yourself as a modern-day treasure hunter, sifting through mountains of raw data from various sources. These sources could be anything: websites, databases, text files, or even handwritten notes. The goal here is to gather as much relevant information as possible. Next, we dive into the murky waters of data cleaning. This is where we roll up our sleeves and get our hands dirty. We're looking for inconsistencies, errors, and inaccuracies in the data. Are there any missing values? Duplicate entries, perhaps? It's akin to panning for gold, where we sift out the unwanted debris to reveal the precious nuggets of information beneath. Once we've cleaned our data, it's time for data transformation. Here, we're converting our now cleaned data from its raw form into a format that's suitable for analysis. This might involve categorizing data into groups, or converting text to numbers. Think of it as a caterpillar undergoing metamorphosis to become a butterfly, ready to spread its wings and fly. Next up is data enrichment. Think of this like adding seasoning to a dish. We're enhancing our data by merging it with other relevant data sets. This could mean adding geographical information to customer data, or historical trends to sales data. The aim is to give our data that extra oomph, making it even more valuable for analysis. Finally, we reach the stage of data validation. This is our final quality check. We're making sure the data is accurate and ready for analysis. Have we missed anything? Are there any anomalies? This is our last chance to ensure everything is in order before we proceed to the analysis. After these steps, the data is finally ready for analysis. But what are the key takeaways from this process? Data wrangling might seem like a tedious process, but its importance cannot be overstated. Imagine yourself as an artist, and data as your canvas. Just as an artist needs a clean, well-prepared canvas to create a masterpiece, data scientists need well-structured, clean data to derive meaningful insights. This is where data wrangling enters the picture, serving as the crucial first step in the journey of data analysis. So, what makes data wrangling so important? Well, as they say, garbage in, garbage out. In the realm of data science, the quality of the output is directly proportional to the quality of the input. This means that if your data is messy, incomplete, or inconsistent, your analysis will likely be inaccurate. Data wrangling, therefore, helps ensure the accuracy of your data analysis by transforming raw data into a more usable format. Furthermore, data wrangling enables data scientists to gain better insights from their data. How so? By cleaning and structuring data, data wrangling allows for the removal of irrelevant information and the highlighting of useful patterns and trends. This means that data scientists can focus their time and energy on the aspects of the data that truly matter, leading to more effective and efficient analysis. Now you might be thinking, data wrangling sounds complex and time-consuming. But fret not. Despite its complexity, data wrangling can be automated with the help of various tools and software. These tools can handle tasks such as data cleaning, transformation, and integration, freeing up data scientists to focus on their primary objective: deriving insights from the data. In conclusion, data wrangling is not just a process, but a fundamental pillar of data science. It's the unsung hero that ensures the integrity of the data and sets the stage for successful data analysis. Remember, in the world of data science, quality trumps quantity, and data wrangling ensures that quality. So, next time you come across a data set, remember the unsung hero: data wrangling.